Ayurveda is derived from the Sanskrit words Ayur, which means life, and Veda, which means science or knowledge. So basically, Ayurveda is science of life. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another review video. Today's review is basically this Biotique Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer. And if you want to know whether this moisturizer will be suitable for your skin type or not, normal, dry, sensitive, oily combinations कौन से skin type के लिए suitable है, and whether you can use this on your face या अपने body पे लगाना चाहिए, everything you will get to know in today's video. So if you haven't yet subscribed my channel yet, subscribe, press the bell icon, and without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's talk about the packaging first. So this is the outer packaging which says Biotique Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer. Here it is also mentioned that Ayurvedic recipe 100% botanical extract. How to use this product details, ingredients, and all the other informations are mentioned on the outer packaging. This is the inner packaging, and I have two bottles with me. This one is 120 ml and this one is 190 ml. 190 ml of this product retails for ₹280, पर अगर आप इसको ऑनलाइन खरीदते हो बहुत सारे शॉपिंग साइट्स पे, most of this time ये सेल पे रहता है, so you will get under ₹200. Even I bought it under ₹200, though the price of this product is basically $280. Expiry date of this product is 3 years from the date of manufacturing. Let's talk about the availability of this product. These products are available very easily online, offline, everywhere. Let's talk about the ingredient list mentioned on the back of the packaging. It contains gehu seed, 5% kumari leaf pulp, 4.5% madhu, that is honey, 4% badam seed oil, 3% moongfali seed oil, 3% kusumbi seed oil, 0.5%, and purified water. Though this is a morning nectar moisturizer, but you can use this at night as well. The brand claims that this is organically pure and preservative free. Dermatologists tested for safety and no animal testing is done. Now let's talk about my experience with this product up close and personal. My skin type is combination. I have extremely oily T-zone and also my skin is very sensitive. I prefer using this moisturizer as a body lotion more than as a face moisturizer. The consistency of this moisturizer is neither too thick nor very runny. My family members, they have been using this product since past 3-4 years, and that's the reason I can tell you that this product will be very suitable for normal and dry skin type. If you are oily, acne prone skin, or if you have sensitive skin, I will tell you not to use this product because this product takes a little time to get absorbed into your skin. So if you apply on your face, then this can get little greasy, and especially during the summertime you can sweat. Now let's just jump into some pros and cons of this moisturizer. The first pro is definitely the price point. This is a budget-friendly moisturizer, affordable, and hence this is the first pro. The second point is obviously the size. Like, this is available in multiple different sizes, so according to your budget you can select whichever size that suits your budget. Yes. The third point is you can use this moisturizer as your face moisturizer as well as your body lotion, especially if you are traveling somewhere. You don't want to carry a lot of products with you, right? So at that point of time, this will be your savior, especially if you have normal and dry skin. You can use the same product as your face moisturizer and as your body lotion. The next point is again about availability. This is available at online stores as well as at offline stores. The only con that I can see is that this will not suit sensitive, oily, and acne prone skin. Now if you are watching this video and your skin is oily, acne prone or sensitive, और आप ये product को use करते हो, आपको ये product suit करता है, then please let me know in the comment section. I would love to know your experience. And if you write down in my comment section, any other person who is visiting this channel and watching this video can go and scroll through the comment section, or it will be helpful for them as well. So let's just help each other out. And if I talk about whether I'm going to recommend this product or not, I will recommend this product to dry and normal skin type. With that, this is a wrap of today's video. If you like this video, find this video helpful, useful, and want to see more such videos and want to save your money by watching my review videos, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon if you haven't it already. And I will meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.